Happy morning, student. My name is Sachin Garg, PGT Physics, KV Charvatia. Now, our topic cyclotron. What is cyclotron? It's very important topic for CBSE examination point of view. What is cyclotron? It is a device which are used to accelerate positive charge particle like proton, deuteron, alpha particle, etc. Very high energies. It is a device which are used to accelerate charge particle like proton, deuteron, alpha particle, etc. Very high energies. What is the principle? What is the principle of cyclotron? Exam में क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जाता है. What is the principle of cyclotron? The energy of the charge particle or ions can be made to increase by using the cross electric and magnetic field. What is the meaning of cross? This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of magnetic field. When a charge particle placed in a region of cross electric and magnetic field, okay, then the energy of the charge particle can be made to be increased by using cross electric and magnetic field. Now, this is the diagram of cyclotron. In cyclotron, it consists two hollow half cylinder, two hollow metallic half cylinder D1 and D2, so that they are called Ds. 2D are connected with a source of electric field. Source of electric field. It means either D1 is positive and D2 is negative. Okay. But we use the word oscillator. The Ds are connected to a source of high frequency oscillator. What is the function of oscillator? The function of oscillator to reverse the polarity after some time. If D1 is positive, D2 is negative. After some time, D1 is negative and D2 is positive. Next, the magnetic field. Where the magnetic field are there, the dot sign indicate magnetic field which is out of the paper. Okay, when we apply cross sign, invert the paper, outside dot sign. Okay, dot sign indicate that magnetic field out of the paper, out of the plane. Okay, next, it's working. Let us consider a heavy positive ion placed at point P. A heavy positive ion placed at point P between the gap of 2D. We know that the 2D are connected to a source. Source, it means some battery, and at any instant of time we consider D1 is positive, D2 is negative, so that electric field is set up between the gap of 2D. What is the direction of electric field? Direction of electric field positive end to negative end. Positive charge attract the negative plate, or we know that the force acting on positive charge, and the direction of force always in the direction of electric field. Okay, the positive charge plate, a positive heavy positive ion move toward D2. Okay, now the electric field between the D's accelerate, the ions enter the D2, and charge particle enter the D. Now it move in a circular path. Why? If charge particle move in a circular path, because inside the conductor electric field is 0. Only magnetic field are there. Now charge particle in presence of magnetic field, it experiences force, and why its shape is semicircular? Why its shape is semicircular? Because force act which is equal to BQV. Next topic, next हम करेंगे अब इसको. By A is equal to BQV. The direction of force is calculated by using Fleming left hand rule. Using Fleming left hand rule, this is the first finger give the direction of magnetic field, middle finger in the direction of velocity of the charged particle, thumb give the direction of force. Okay. In this case, this is the direction of magnetic field is out of the paper. Middle finger give the direction of velocity. This is the direction of velocity. Then thumb give the direction of force, and which is equal to downward. So that the charged particle moving circular path, but speed remain constant inside the D. Now it again come between the gap, and between the D1 and D2, the gap electric field is set up which accelerate the charged particle. Just when they come out the D2, the potential of the D is reversed. Okay, the potential of the D1 and D2 is also reversed. In previous, D1 is positive, now D1 is negative as compared to D2 or with respect to D2. Now it goes into the D1. Again it moves in a circular path, but speed is increased. Why? Because the charged particle accelerate between the gap. Now it come out, again accelerate and enter the D1, and the polarity also reverse. Now it goes in circular path, and it come out through that exit port or window, that exit port. There a deflection plate is also there which have negative charge. Okay, so that the charged particle outside. This is the working. Next, calculate cyclotron frequency. What is cyclotron frequency? एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, साथ में वर्किंग के साथ में साइक्लोट्रॉन फ्रीक्वेंसी भी एग्जाम में जरूर पूछा जाता है. First, we know that force acting on charged particle placed in magnetic field, which is equal to BQV. Now, charged particle move in a semicircular path. When a particle or body move in a circular path, a centripetal force act on it, and that is equal to mv square by r. Both are equal. Force due to magnetic field and centripetal force both are equal, so that BQV equal to mv square by r. V2V cancel and calculate the value of r, which is equal to mv by bq. Okay, the value of r is equal to m, mass of the particle, velocity of the charged particle, strength of magnetic field, and magnitude of charge. R be the radius of the semicircular path. Okay, the radius is dependent only upon velocity of the charged particle. When velocity increase, the radius is also increase. When velocity increase, then radius of the charged particle also increase, and now we come after some time it exit the exit port. First, calculate the value of time period. What is the value of time period? Which is equal to, and using formula, velocity equal to total distance by time, and distance is equal to charged particle complete one circular path or circumference of the circle divided by total time taken. And now calculate the value of t, and using this formula, 2 pi r divide t, and t equal to 2 pi r by v. Put the value r replace mv by bq, v to v cancel, so that t equal to 2 pi m divide bq. Okay.